$1,000 spoon spark plug wire set, $40 Denso spark plug wire set. Which one do you guys think makes more power on my B18C? So let me break down both so you guys can kind of guess. So this is a fancy spoon performance spark plug wires. Used to be available way back in the day, but now they've been discontinued. It's got stainless steel braid on here that goes to these leads, and the leads you're supposed to ground out on your valve cover somewhere that's got the stud. So right here, so it's pretty much grounded to the block, right? Or you got your OEM Denso or NGK style, which is basically just a plug right here, and it goes to the other side, and that's pretty much it. I've ran both of these guys 2 track days and hundreds of miles on the canyons. Guess which one makes more power? The same. Absolutely the same. Made no difference having these ground leads and the blue coloring and the spoon name. Absolutely no difference, which is crazy because, you know, a lot of JDM boys swear by these spark plug wires. I mean, people will, if I say I'm gonna sell this right now, I'll probably have like 20 DMs, people offering $800 for these because they're pretty much brand new, right? That's how expensive these spoon wires are. That's so hype, it's crazy, but it actually doesn't do anything, which is absolutely nuts. So if you guys want to upgrade your, spark plug wires with something fancy like an MSD or Moroso or spoon, just know that they don't really make any difference. I mean, I haven't seen any tangible differences with any spark plug wire upgrade on these Hondas. I mean, maybe when you're going force induction, but when you have an NA setup like this, yeah, it doesn't make a difference. I mean, they could be thicker, right? They could be red. This one I think is 7mm, but sometimes they'll have 10mm, which is super fat. But most of the time, the core is actually the same size. They just make the cover a little thicker, and that's it. With spoon, I'm not sure who makes their wires, but it's exactly the same as the factory. The only difference is the color and the braiding right here. One thing I did notice with the spoon though is the boots right here don't seal as well as the OE style. I mean, it does look like OE, but this right here seals better. How do I know that? Well, I washed my engine recently before the Honda meet, and water got into the tubes. And I was like, what the heck? How did water get in there with my LS with no spark plug cover? This is the spark plug cover right here. Water would never get in there, even if I friggin' blast it with a pressure washer. Now, mind you, when I use a pressure washer, I'm usually about 1.5 feet. I'm not blasting it directly. So yeah, with the spoons, they didn't seal that well, and I got water in there, which is crazy. So yeah, not worth the hype if you guys are looking for any performance gains, but definitely worth the hype if you want that JDM clout.